Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made these Popeye-like chicken tenders. Very easy to make. Just follow along, and I will leave the recipe in the descriptions below. Put your chicken breast into this bowl. We're going to pour in some buttermilk, and now you want to let this marinate for 30 minutes. Marinate for a while. 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of thyme leaves, half teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of chili powder, and you want 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of ground or dry mustard, 4 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 3 teaspoons of white pepper. You want to take a whisk and whisk all this real good, real fine, real good. Combine it all together. Two cups of all-purpose flour. Your mixture, your ingredients, and put it all into your flour. What you're going to do is you're going to take a whisk and whisk it all together real good. Just take 2 eggs and you want to whisk them real good together. Kind of brush up the yolk so it whisks together real good. The first thing I want to do is I want to take this fish and I'm going to put it in here. Then I'm going to take it over to here, dump it in that. God, this is not easy. Put it back over here. And it's ready for frying. And this is where we're going to place our meat. We'll come back in a few minutes. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful looking. Look at that crust. I'm going to take a bite of this. Look at that. Look at that. That is good. Very good. Anyways, I appreciate you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Support my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell on the side of it. Hit that bell. That way you get notifications of all my videos and stuff. And I do appreciate it. And thank y'all for watching. And y'all have a blessed